Good afternoon, everyone. Jack of Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2007 Bluebird All-American. This is a 44 packager. Let's check this baby out. Alright, so go back inside. So first thing first, check the nosing. Go about to come in. And we're going to the driver area first. Driver people. We got the feathers right here, no sensors or anything like that. We got the Bluebird on a transit automatic 5-speed. The miles, it says 480,442 miles. So this is a climate controls, heat AC, everywhere controls into Comex mirror, fans number 1 and number 2. And the mirrors are at the same place. Alright, in the back, it's a 44 passenger. Emergency with fast charge on driver's side. And emergency exit door. In the back, got some seatbelts, got the speakers, zigzag gonna be winning the I/O. Dumb lights right here. Got the mic, radio, speaking. Alright, that will do it for the inside. Let's check on the outside. Alright, so tires around 25 to 16 seconds. We got in the backpack, suitcases. The reinforcement door on the place to buy. Alright, so this is probably the counter pair 3126 7.2 liter triple diesel engine. This is the Type C7 triple diesel engine. There he is. Look at that. Looking good and before. Alright, so let's take a look at this. We got the suitcases or backpacks, and last but not least, level front driver's side tire. And you see the light right here, it does not work. I have two of them. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this Northwest Bus Sales explosive video tour. If you like this bus sale, any numbers to collect, say 1-800-231-1699. Visit nwbus.com for more e-sales and nwbus.com. Thanks for watching.